This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable web images on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To enable or disable web images, by default web images are probably enabled on your browser, but if you have a data cap if your internet provider has a data cap or something, it's something that you might want to disable it. But to enable it or disable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Permissions and click on Site Permissions. Then on this page, you want to click on All Permissions. Then you'll go down to where it says Images and click on Images. Right up top here, Default Behavior. If this is enabled, if this is toggled on, then you're allowing website images. If it's toggled off, you're not allowing website images. Down below that, you have customized behavior. If you add any sites in here, you could add sites by clicking on this, putting the URL in there. If I wanted to not allow this website to show images, or if I wanted to allow a website to show images, it's customized behaviors. But overall, right up top here, the default behavior, toggled on, you're allowing images. Toggled off, you're not allowing images. That is how to enable or disable website images on the Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.